Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video is just going to be a little quick video on a little treat that I bought for myself just after Christmas. I love seeing these type of things before I buy them, so obviously I've started to like to share these sort of things so as that if you're looking to buy it, you can see it in somebody's hands, and it's not like in the hands of a shop that's trying to sell it, and it's not in the hands of a reseller that is again trying to sell it. So this is obviously something that I had been eyeing up for a really long time. Not this thing in particular, but this collection was out a long time ago, and I actually think that it was in the Sex and the City, like the first film or something like that, and it was one of the bags. It was the Patchwork bag. So when I saw this collection, I knew that I would never be able to look after one of the bags. Like, it would just get absolutely ruined. So I thought, I'm gonna go for the purse. So I got myself the purse from this collection. This is the Denim Zippy purse. I've already shared it on my TikTok, but basically it just comes, it came in like a little box like this. Again, this one's much smaller because this could just fit like in here. But it's the same as my bag. My bum bag came in. It's just like cardboard box. That's the actual outer box. That is the kind of thing that you'll get online. It didn't come with a magazine or anything like that because it is obviously slightly cheaper item. I say cheaper very, very lightly there. So obviously you've got your box and stuff like that. Inside you have your little dust bag, and inside the little dust bag you have, oh, look how pretty it is. So this is the denim, what's it actually called? So it's the Denim Zippy coin purse. And that is it there. I wanted something, because I've got obviously like bigger, longer purses, I wanted something that would go inside my littler bags for like a night out or something like that. So this is not going to be an everyday use kind of purse, because I would again ruin it. You should see the inside of some of my bags. Like, I have bags that I use every day, and I have my more expensive stuff that I use if I'm away or if I'm on a night out or something like that, because I don't trust myself. I'll ruin them. So I save them for special occasions. I mean, it's the same as like clothes. You save your good clothes for special occasions. So it's just a little purse like that, and it's got the zip that goes all the way around. But instead of it just being like a coin purse where you would open it and there would literally be like maybe a partition but nothing else in it, this has actually got space for stuff. So you've got like one bit over here, then a bit for cards, a space in here for coins, the middle bit then opens out, another space for coins, more card spaces, and another gap. So there's like a million different gaps in there for different things. So you can take your cards, you can take money, you can take coins, stuff like that. And then it's got obviously the zip. It's gold hardware that it's got. It is just the very typical big zipper handle, whatever. Now my bookie bag is a reasonable size. It can fit a big purse in it, but not much else. We have the mini bum bag, and this goes into that dead easy and leaves space for your phone or whatever, so I could always take my purse in that, although it does kind of have a little purse on the front. So even like in the smallest bag, it's gonna fit, because I don't always want to just have stuff rattling about inside the bag. And then obviously in my bookie, somebody's gonna correct me because I bet you I'm saying that wrong. I don't care. The size of it, that gives you an idea of kind of like the size of it as well. It is way bigger than you think it is. It's like, you know, holding it in your hand. It is. When you look at the zippy coin purses, you think they're going to be tiny, especially the ones that like flip over and have a little button on them. That was kind of the one I was originally going to get. They're normally between about £300 and £500, and you think that they look kind of really small, but they're actually not that small. Like, it's going to fit in a bigger bag, but I don't know, I just thought that it was dead cute, and I wanted the denim, but I know that I just ended up ruining it. It's not like I try to ruin it, but if I'm spending this much money on something like this, I don't want to be ruining it. So, and the bags were all quite pricey as well. You know, you don't want to drop £2 on a bag and then like you go out and you're scared to take it off your shoulder, you know, sort of thing. My other ones, obviously this one is a little bit more delicate, but these are really actually robust. Like, the material on these bags is not just going to scratch that easily. The texture of them helps that. If you spill something on it, unless it's corrosive, it will be able to wipe down. It's not quite as delicate as you think it's going to be. This is the one that if I spill something on it or something like that, then it's going to get ruined. So obviously it'll be inside a bag where it's going to be safe. I think that's pretty much it. I'll put on in the description where you can get it. It's obviously not an affiliate link because I would love to be affiliated with Louis Vuitton, but I'm not. So I'll put a link in the description box where you can actually get it. I just ordered mine online. It had a lead time of 4 to 6 weeks the last time I checked. When I got it, the lead time was 4 to 6 days, and I was lucky I just got in first. I think I got it like a week and a half later. So these were really popular, and the lead time went on a week's really quickly. You go onto the website, it is now saying notify me when available, so it's completely sold out. You can check in-store availability and see where you can maybe get it. Obviously, if you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I will see you next time.